and that is YouTube. And I might be a little bit biased here because this one has worked so well for me, but YouTube is a great option to make money on the side and can actually become your full-time income and can be an amazing income. Now, YouTube has attracted more and more eyes every single year, and that doesn't seem to be slowing down anytime soon. Cable television seems to be facing this sad and slow death, and that only means great things for platforms like YouTube. You can create absolutely anything on YouTube, and there will be someone to watch it. Well, pretty much anything.
I eat little babies' ice cream.
One major benefit to YouTube is a similar benefit to selling digital products, and that is the fact that a video is basically a digital product. Once it's out there, and you can monetize it forever and not touch it again. All you have to do is pick a topic you enjoy, like fitness, tech, parkour, yodeling, or yodeling parkour. And then all you need to do is produce some content in that space. And then on top of that, once you've created a large platform on YouTube, you can actually monetize it in several ways besides just regular old YouTube ads. Thanks for tuning in. And if you enjoyed this content, make sure you subscribe to the main channel as well right here.